This is going to be a video product review of the TECKIN dimmable LED floor lamp model FL41. I'm going to be doing an assembly video, but first I want to talk about the lamp. The description, floor lamp, it has 2,000 lumens of light. The whole height of the lamp is about 68.9 inches. Base diameter is almost 9.5 inches. Head diameter is 9.84 inches. You can control this with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or you can install an app that they have. The app is called Tuya Smart. It is a dimmable light, so you have control over dimming with, I believe, your phone or Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also control the lamp with the built-in on-off switch. It's a touch switch, and you can also adjust the brightness from 5 to 100%. The instructions recommend that you assemble the lamp on a floor and not on a table so that nothing will fall over. The lamp has 3 poles. We've got this 4th pole over here, we've got this 5th pole, and then we have the top piece. They want you to assemble the bottom pole to the base first. This base is really heavy. It's weighted down, and that's what you want in a good quality lamp. We have the power cord at the base, we have the adapter that it will plug into, and at the top I'm going to keep the light covered with plastic for protection until everything is put together. So I'm going to take the first piece, the bottom pole, and I'm going to screw it onto the base. I've got the lamp on the floor. You need to use caution when you are assembling this together. You do not want to pull on the wires that are going through the pole. You do not want to pinch them while you are connecting the poles together. So I've got the bottom pole. Rather than spin this thing, I'm going to hold this pole and turn the base. That way I don't have to worry about spinning the wires inside the pole. Okay, so I've got that part tightened. And now I'm going to go to the next part, insert the pole. Now there are plastic pieces to protect the threading inside here, so you're going to be removing these plastic pieces before you insert the threaded end. And what I'm going to do is the same thing I did before. Be careful so you don't cross thread. Do it carefully, and now I'm going to turn the bottom so that I do not spin the wires that are inside the pole. And I'm going to do this for all of these remaining pieces, and then I will come back to the video. Removing the plastic piece, inserting the next pole, insert it until it starts to thread, and then I'm going to turn the base. And you can see, by me doing this, there will be no spinning of the wire inside the lamp pole. I've attached the bottom 3 poles. I've got a lot of extra wire here, so what you want to do is go to the base of the lamp where the power cord is coming out and slowly pull that through so that you are able to thread this piece in. Over here we have the power switch. If you press it lightly, it will turn the lamp on. If you hold it, it will increase the brightness, and when you press it again, it will turn the lamp off. So I have the last piece, second to the last piece. Going to remove this. Be careful that you do not pinch the wires at the top of the lamp. I'm going to put that piece on. This piece I'm going to be able to turn. The wire is not spinning, so everything is okay. And we've got the last piece, which is the top of the lamp, and you do want to do this on the floor. You don't want to do this on a table. You are probably going to drop things if you do. I have the lamp plugged into the power outlet. This lamp is about 5 feet 8 inches tall. So I'm going to press the button. You've got the light on now. It's going to look kind of weird because the camera is going to try to correct for the bright light. But I've got the light on. I tapped it. Light is off. Now I'm going to tap again. Light is on, and I'm going to hold it, and the light is going to dim as I hold it. This is beautiful. This is a really nice lamp. I think this would be a really good lamp. I'm going to hold it again to try to brighten it. This would be a really cool lamp for, obviously, the living room. I've got it in my living room right now. It is not excessively bright, which is good. I mean, it's not excessively white. It's not a yellow color. It's not a LED blue color, and it is not an LED bright white color. Now, as I said, it can be controlled with Alexa. So I'm not going to walk through all the details of setting up an item in Alexa for you, but you should be able to control it by Alexa or Google Assistant. I'm going to do that on my own right now, and then we'll see what the results are going to be. That's flashing mode. You must unplug it from the wall. You cannot use the switch to do this. Once that happens, go back to your cell phone, add device, confirm light is blinking rapidly, enter the Wi-Fi address, which I already have in here. Connecting, let's see if it connects. I think the Smart Life program will work. If not, then I will use the program they recommend, the app.
I found sound the floor lamp, and you can control it by saying, turn off sound the floor lamp.
You can hear my Amazon dot in the background just saying that it found the floor lamp. Device successfully added. Completed. Smart Life works. I'm going to click on the cell phone and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. You can see that I'm not doing it on the lamp. I am doing it on the cell phone. Light just went off. Unbelievable. Pressing it again, light went on. Pressing it again, light goes off. Pressing it again, light goes on. Brightness, I see it says white over here. So I'm going to slide. Will that work? Oh my gosh, I just love this lamp. This is so awesome. I had the lamp called Living Room. It didn't like it. I changed it to Corner. Alexa, turn on Corner. Wow, check that out. Alexa, turn off Corner. Alexa, turn on Corner. Alexa, dim corner 50%. Alexa, dim corner 5%. This lamp is absolutely incredible. So it does work on the Smart Life app. You just have to link the Smart Life app to your Amazon Alexa app, and the book explains how to do that. So you can control it with the Smart Life or the other app they recommend in the book. You can control it with Alexa. I have my Alexa on the cell phone. I also have an Alexa dot. You can also control it with the switch. And remember, when you plug in the lamp the first time, it's probably going to start blinking on and off, on and off. That is the pairing for the connection to the app or the Alexa dot. So don't think that the lamp is broken. It's supposed to do that. If it stops doing that, which it will after a couple minutes, unplug the power cord a couple times, unplug it from the wall, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in. If the light does not start flashing, then do that a few more times until you get into the flashing pairing mode. This is going to conclude my review of the TECKIN floor lamp. I will put a link in the description of this video. If you click on that link, it will take you directly to Amazon so you can purchase it. A nice feature of the lamp is you can swivel it, position the head in whatever angle you want. So this is wonderful. I have it up in my loft now, pointing towards the ceiling, and now I am pointing it towards the living room. And you can also turn the top of the lamp. Swivel up and down or left to right. I have the lamp in my loft in the corner. And the final test, Alexa, turn corner off. So at nighttime, I can lay in bed and I can tell the Alexa app to turn off the light. Alexa, turn corner on. I do not even need to walk into the room or change the app settings. Alexa, turn corner on. Alexa, set corner 100%. Alexa, set corner 5%. Make sure you purchase this lamp by clicking on the link at the bottom of the description.